guys. So my name is Catherine. I've been coming to Lyceum Physical Medicine for a few months now, and it's made a world of difference. When I came in, I could barely move. I suffer from fibromyalgia, and we actually detected that there was other things going on with my body that no one else was able to help me with before. So some scoliosis, some arthritis in the neck and hips, and I gotta say, everything that the doctors and staff here have been able to help me do with just being able to move my body the way it needs to move and be in less pain to be able to live daily life the way it's meant to be lived has been nothing short of amazing.
That's wonderful. When did you start receiving treatment?
It was a few months back before Christmas. I want to say it was in October. So I've been here for a few months and we've been waiting down the plan now. And I feel great. I feel like me again. I don't wake up tired anymore. I don't wake up in extreme pain. My pain is much less. And even my most extreme pain days are actually on the lower part of the scale. So pain is very tolerated, which is really hard to achieve for a fibromyalgia patient. So I will absolutely take this over what I was going through. I was feeling pretty hopeless and this was my last resort. It was referred to me from a family member and I said, you know, I've tried everything else, why not? And my only regret is why didn't I try this first?
That's amazing. What, name something that you can do now that you couldn't do before.
I literally had insomnia. I wasn't able to sleep because my body was just so uncomfortable that I would lay awake at night in bed. I'm actually now off of my sleeping pills completely. I am falling asleep actually tired. I am waking up feeling completely restful, not restless. And when I wake up, I am no longer in pain. I get up and I can move. I'm not stiff as a board and I have to lay there for an hour or two anymore. I get up, I start my day. My quality of life is so much better. And I'm actually living my day, not just being alive. That's the point that I was at, and it had become very depressing. And now when I actually can get up and have the energy that I once had that I thought I would never get back, I thought this was something that was going to only get worse as I got older. And the fact that it's gotten so much better has not only given me hope, it truly has given me my life back. I'm a mother of 3, and I feel completely and honestly very blessed.
Wow, that's amazing. When was your aha moment?
Aha moment. I think that there's no one major aha moment. I think it's just a whole bunch of gradually starting to feel better. And then each little thing that feels better, you don't even really realize it at first. And then one day when I came in, I guess I kind of did have an aha moment about a month ago when Miss Riley, who works in the physical therapy section, said, you know, what is your number today? I said, I don't have one. She said, you're not even on like a 3? She's like, you come in here at least at a 5. I said, no, Riley. I said, I can't even give you a 1. I said, I have no clue.
That's amazing.
It really is.
Would you recommend the services here at Lyceum Physical Medicine to others with your condition?
Hands down, absolutely. I think the beginning of the aha moment is when I was approved for it was one of the units that went behind
the neurostimulator.
The neurostimulator is a godsend. It really is a miracle. You cannot put a price on your health if you are able to do it either with your insurance or out of pocket. I know you look at it, you're like, oh, I don't need that. Maybe it's too much. Do it. Absolutely do it, because that was a major aha moment for me. I still had pain, but where it was directed to work on my lower back, when I tell you now, I actually can bend over and tie my shoes. I actually can do things that I wasn't able to do before. It's just really a miracle. How it works, why it works, I don't even know. I just said, give it to me and keep doing the rotations, because whatever it does, it really truly is amazing. And science is just this beautiful thing. And I just could not be any happier with the care that I've received, the technology here, and the doctors truly do care. And you are not just a number or an insurance payment. They really want to make you better. They understand that every person and every situation is different. And for me alone, I came in with 5 different things. They found more things, and they really do treat everything with kid gloves of how can we make you feel the best you. And I leave here every time with a smile on my face. Everyone's super friendly, and I've gotten only better. Nothing has stayed the same or gotten worse. And I could cry. You gave me my life back.